Weathering. Weathering is the process where rocks and minerals break down or dissolve at or near the Earth's surface through physical, chemical, or biological means. This breakdown occurs in place without the movement of the broken pieces, which distinguishes it from erosion. Weathering is vital in shaping Earth's surface and creating diverse landforms. It weakens rocks and makes them more likely to erode. It also aids in soil formation. The effect of weathering creates spectacular landforms such as canyons, caves, and arches. The three main types of weathering. First, physical weathering, second is chemical weathering, and the third is biological weathering. Physical weathering. Physical weathering is the process where rocks are broken down into smaller pieces without changing their chemical composition, a process that causes the disintegration of rocks, mineral, and soil without chemical change. This is the example of physical weathering. Chemical weathering. Chemical weathering is the process where rocks and their constituent minerals are broken down and altered by chemical reaction with substances like water, oxygen, carbon dioxide, changing their composition and creating new, more stable minerals. This is the example of chemical weathering. And the last one is biological weathering. Biological weathering is the breakdown and disintegration of rocks, soil, and other materials caused by living organisms. Biological weathering is caused by the movements of plants and animals. This is the example of biological weathering. Why withering matters. First, soil formation breaks down rocks into minerals that make soil fertile for plants. Landscape creation shapes mountains, valleys, cliffs, and other natural landforms.